Yeah. What up, my G?
Good.
Chillin'.
I hope you ain't videotaping me.
Nah, I wouldn't do that.
So what are you doing?
Nah, I'm saying what's up to you.
Yeah, on the video.
Nah, why would I do that?
Because you got a phone right in your hand.
Nah, it's not a phone, it's an iPod.
That's even worse. They record too.
Where Banks and them went?
They're in the building.
They ain't in here. That's crazy, all these cars. Huh?
What if you show that video, tell them to pay me?
YouTube.
Don't put me on YouTube. I'm broke, man.
YouTube ain't broke. Up there's Moni's car. Ugh. How the hell we gonna get that out? Blizzard 2010, baby. Look at all these cars that's stuck in the road. They thought they was gonna come out and everything was gonna be PT King today, and now every last one of them stuck in the middle of the street. You'll be cold soon.
Shut up and pay me.
He thought, I'm not cold. Okay, mister, I'm not cold.
Mr. Pay me, that's my name. Yo, DJ, call 311, they hiring.
Yeah?
For the snow, yeah, they are.
Hiring what?
Just get your people out the car. Get your people out their houses and stuff.
For real?
Yeah.
You called them?
They do this every time we get snow blizzard.
You called them?
Once I finish my yard, I'm going to
Oh, wow. Get out of here. Look at this.
you out here videotaping stuff like that's helping anybody.
I'm helping you.
Help me what?
I'm helping you get famous.
I play drums. I don't shovel snow, man.
You don't want to be famous?
I don't know snow shoveling. You show them the work. You want to show them something? Show them what I did, man.
Look at what my boy did. Look.
Get hard, man.
He's a good shoveler.
Trooper,
He's a
baby.
good
Super
shoveler.
trooper.
There you
2011,
go.
baby.
You already
10
know.
is over.
Look at all these dumbass fucks in these cars.
Yep.
They thought they was getting away.
You know what's funny? One person made this whole block like this.
Yeah?
One person,
crazy.
he just now got out. He going already.
Wow.
Everybody was stuck. Ooh,
That's
you
King?
smell like goody, man.
That's King?
You smell like goody. What's up, man? What's good, partner?
That ain't me smelling like that. It's coming from
Barbershop?
down the block.
Let's come from the barbershop.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm out of here. Gotta go. What's up, my man? Look at all that good work he putting in, man. That's what you call hard work with a direction.
It's called T.
There you go.
Family matters, baby.
There you go. I'm glad to see y'all getting it together over there. And you got on the right boots, too. My man got on the right boots. You got on them Timbs. You're going to have to go in about an hour.
I told him that.
Yeah. Timberland is for fashion. That ain't for this right here, man.
2 pair of socks, so man. I got another hour in there.
You got to go get some Boy Scout boots or something, brother. Go get some Buster Brown boots or something, man. Woo! Blizzard 2010, baby. We out of here.